We start with a simple manual trigger. Whenever you click Execute Workflow, the entire resume analysis process begins, perfect for ad hoc analysis when new resumes are added. Next, we connect to a specific Google Drive folder called Resume Store. This node fetches all resumes stored inside it. The output is a list of file objects, including their IDs. For each file found, we now download the actual PDF from Drive. This ensures we get the raw binary content needed for extraction. Here we convert the PDF into readable text. This node processes each resume and outputs plain text content that the AI model can understand. Now we have a clean text version of the candidate's resume. This is our AI backbone. We're using the GPT-4o mini model through Azure OpenAI. It provides all the language processing and skill extraction power needed for the next step. Here's where the magic happens. This node analyzes the extracted resume text and identifies skills only from a predefined tech stack. React, Node.js, Angular, Python, Java, SQL, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, Azure, GCP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It then assigns a skill level from 1 to 5, estimated years of experience, and returns everything in a strict JSON format. This ensures structured, clean skill data every single time. The next node parses the AI's output JSON, filters out skills with a level top 2, and keeps only intermediate to advanced skills. It also handles invalid JSON errors and converts everything into a clean, n8n friendly structure. Update sheet with skill matrix, Google Sheets. Finally, we push the extracted and filtered skill data into a Google Sheet. Each row contains skill name, skill level, years of experience, candidate name. This gives you a clean, structured skill matrix ready for scoring, filtering, or further automation.